everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will demonstrate how to create HubSpot forms and then synchronize them with the HubSpot CRM to create new leads and contacts with the CRM. Moving forward, let me share the client's requirements. The client wanted us to create a HubSpot form and landing page within the HubSpot and embed the HubSpot form and landing page to their website so that they can generate leads within the website. The other requirement was to enable and configure the sync between the HubSpot form that we embedded with the HubSpot CRM website. Whenever a person comes into this website and fills up the form, a new lead or contact gets within the CRM. Let's get started by introducing the HubSpot forms and the landing page. HubSpot forms are used to gather important information about our visitors that come to our website and fill the required information on the form. So, in the HubSpot, we can quickly create those forms as well as HubSpot provides some templates, so we can just use those templates and easily create the forms as per requirement. HubSpot provides a great feature of forms where we can merge our requirements and embed that form into the website. So let's talk about the landing page. They are standalone web pages created by our sales and marketing team so that they can get the attention and gain the attention of the product that a particular company sells. HubSpot provides a standard functionality to create landing pages within the CRM and has its value within the CRM. Let's talk about the benefits of HubSpot forms and landing pages. We can quickly build and customize website forms with HubSpot. We can have to follow up emails with our customers to configure the follow-up features within the form while creating those forms in the CRM. The landing page is embedded in the website to help convert visitors into leads, as when a person visits the website and fills out the form, he can have his quotation on the product or events. HubSpot provides a standard existing and extensive template library, using which we can create quick and easy designs of our forms and landing pages. Also, we can easily set up sync between the forms and the website. Whenever a person fills the form embedded in the website, a new contact or lead record gets updated in the CRM. Now let me show you how we can set up the sync HubSpot forms and HubSpot CRM. Firstly, you should have a HubSpot account where we have standard functionality to create the HubSpot forms. We need a form builder where we can easily create the forms. After that, we have to configure the fields and designs we want to show on our form. We can use a standard templates in the standard template library provided by HubSpot. After creating and finishing the complete form and the respective designs, we now just have to save the form and copy the code or iframe code that we can just embed on the website. Paste that code on the website at your required place and that form gets embedded on the website. And there will be a sync between HubSpot and the website. After that, we need to configure sync settings in the HubSpot whenever a person fills up the embedded form. After copying the form link and I am adding that link to the website, we need to configure our sync settings so that whenever a person fills up a form on the website, a new contact or leads gets created in the CRM. So for that, we need to configure and set up some sync settings within the CRM, so that we can have the access to all reports created in the CRM whenever a person fill up the form embedded on the website. Let me now show the demo of how to sync the HubSpot form with HubSpot CRM and how a lead or contact gets created within the CRM whenever a person fills out the form. I have logged into my account and here in form that I created. So let me first fill out some details over here. Let me add the email here, first name, last name and phone number. Now you see whenever a person fills up the form created through the HubSpot, here you can see it is a HubSpot form. Click on submit and you will have a thank you page over here that says thank you for submitting your form. We can also set up some settings to get a person redirected to another page or back to the website whenever the person fills the form and submit the form. So I have added the thanking page over here. Let's go to the contacts and check if the contact has been created in the CRM. Here you can see that A new contact has been created when the person has filled up the form. You can check the date for the confirmation of contact creation. It will display the exact date when the contact is created. This is how we have synced HubSpot Forms and HubSpot CRM together. We can also add some follow-up over here so that a person can send follow-up emails to the customers using the fill-up feature in the HubSpot CRM. Furthermore, we can style and add some designs to the template on our created forms. That was all about this project. Are you looking to hire a trusted HubSpot solution provider that can help your business grow faster than ever? Cloud Analogy is the world's preferred HubSpot CRM implementation company with credible experience and proven delivery in providing sales and marketing services using the HubSpot platform. From integrating Salesforce with HubSpot to developing customer reports dashboards by pulling in data from HubSpot, we can help you cater all your business needs related to HubSpot CRM. Get in touch with Cloud Analogy's HubSpot experts today.